EDX3200S plus X Food Heavy Metal Rapid Spectrometer. The instrument adopts integrated design with 24-position autosamplers, intelligent locating methods, and excellent automation. It can test arsenic, selenium, cadmium, lead, and other elements in food rapidly and give testing reports automatically. It can make a quick judgment on the content of heavy metals in food, whether it meets the national standard or not. The instrument has been used widely in grain, tea, tobacco, milk powder, and other food testing fields. Take an example of detecting the heavy metals in rice. First, get the sampling rice and smash it. Then, place the rice samples into specimen cups. 24 samples can be put in one time. The filters will be switched to the corresponding positions of different samples automatically. Second, high voltage power supply turns on. X-ray tube excites X-ray beams on the surfaces of samples, and then X-ray detector will receive these diagnostic lights from the elements to be determined. Last, the result of heavy metals content will be given by software calculation. In May 2014, the instrument was won National Standard Applicability Verification from the Standard Quality Center of State Grain Administration. At the end of 2014, Skyray Instrument held a grand delivery ceremony on the first batch of Food Heavy Metal Rapid Spectrometer in Hangzhou, Zhejiang Province. The instruments have been put into use and received a wide acceptance in the market nationally.